Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I want to share with you a new product that we just got. This is from CNICK, and this is an eco-friendly, no charging required, waterproof ring made in Georgia. So this is a key ring, or a ring key, whatever you want to call it. And it acts as a key card. If you're not familiar with Tesla vehicle, you've probably seen our last video. We explain the key card is essentially your key for your Tesla vehicle. You get 2 of these for each Tesla that you purchase. And of course, if you have the Refresh S or X, you also get the key fob, but hardly anyone uses the key fob anymore. And CNICK make different style of rings. So this is called Jean. And because it looks like a pair of jeans, you can customize the inner housing to look like a different shade of red or an actual wood color, etc. You can customize this any way you like. And I plugged them in the description of this video, so you can check them out for yourself. They have bracelet as well. And this itself is a ceramic version of a wood finish. And it looks very nice. So you can use this as a wedding band or a replacement of a wedding band. And I think it's more cost effective, but as well as being more useful too. Or you can just have it as a style ring. And of course it comes in different sizes. So how to program this is fairly simple. All you need to do is go into your control setting, click on locks, and you have a list of actual key cards here. We also have programmed key rings and ring keys into this Tesla Model Y. So how you program this is fairly simple. You just take their ring key, their key ring. So we're just going to use this Jean version. You press on plus sign on the top right, and it's 2 simple steps. Either you use the phone card or the phone key as your key card, or your key card that came with the vehicle. So basically you place this on top above your cup holder, and it will indicate that it detected a new key card. But this itself is a ring key or key ring. And then to program this, you take the existing key card that came with your vehicle, place it on the same spot, and then now it's programmed. So the spot I'm talking about is here. This is where you place it. That's how you start the vehicle, how you put the car in drive, reverse, neutral, and so forth. So that's where you place it. For the Refresh Model X and S, it's actually on the charge pad. So now you have it programmed, and you can customize this as anything you like. So we'll call this ring key. So you can change the name. So it has here unknown key. So you can name this Jean key ring. Save. So now you know this is now linked to this car. And that's it. So how you start the car is you place the ring right above it, just like that. And the car is on. So you don't have to sync up your phone or your key fob or use the key card anymore. So you always have this ring on you. And to unlock it, let me just quickly show you how to do the unlocking and locking of the vehicle. Okay, so how this works is when you're at the B pillar, you just place your ring right below the camera and it unlocks. You can enter in your vehicle. And to start your vehicle, all you need to do is place the ring or tap it right there. Screen blinks and your car is ready to go. You can put it in drive, reverse, so forth. Check them out, link in the description of this video. And they have a lot of options, including bracelet and custom design of rings. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time.
Do you remember when we fell in love? I remember, don't worry. Do you remember? I remember how it all began. How could I ever forget? It's the first time. Do you remember? I can feel it before. I can feel it again. I can feel it coming in the air now. I can feel it. I can feel it, I can feel it, it's coming in the air now. Hold on, we fell in love. You remember the time? How could I ever forget? You remember the time? Hold on, we fell in love. You remember the time? How could I ever forget? I can feel it, I can feel it, it's coming in the air.
know you could call me if you need someone. I need your love. Heaven is a place not too far away. I need your love. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. I need your love. Heaven is a place not too far away. I need your love. Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. At night. Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. At night.